Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to share Google Form responses with others. So let's get started. So if you want to share your Google Form responses, then first of all what you have to do is simply open up your Google Forms. So just select a browser, select any browser you like, and then in search bar type in forms.google.com. And after typing in that, now you should have to log into your account, and after logging into your account, now what you can do is just simply create a form. So if you don't have any forms, you can just simply create one by tapping on blank form. So after creating a form, now what you can do is if you want to send the form's response, what you can do is just simply open up that form. So after opening up your form, now in the top, you will find this response button. Just tap on it, and after tapping on response, now you can share this response to whomever you like. So to share this response, what you have to do is just tap on this three dotted icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, now you can simply download the .csv file version, and after downloading it, now you can share that file in WhatsApp, through email, or anything. So not only in this way, you can also share a sheet. So here you will find link to sheets. Just tap on it and then tap on create, and now it will create a sheet for your response. So after creating the sheet, so here you can see guys, this is the response, and after creating the sheet, now you can simply share this sheet. So to share it, what you can do is just simply copy the link of this sheet. So just copy the link, and after copying it, you can share this link to whomever you like. So in this way, you can share your Google Forms responses with others. So that's it guys, this is how to share Google Form responses with others. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.